Hey guys, it's Made by Ann here. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm coming to you guys with a quick tutorial on how to make a silk press last. If you have really thick curly hair, 4C hair, type 4 hair, whatever type hair you have, if it is curly or kinky, silk presses don't really last that long unless you really care for it. But at the end of the day, it's not meant to last the entire year. You know what I'm saying? You're lucky if you get a month with it, depending on how thick your hair is. The only things that you're going to be needing is, of course, a hair tie. I like to use like a headband, and I kind of just, you know, make it into a little hair tie. A hair clip. Of course, you're going to need a comb. My #1 suggestion is using a white girl brush. I don't know what you guys call it where y'all are from, but where I come from, it's called a white girl brush. A white girl brush, if you don't know, it's like a hard brush, and the bristles are very strong. It's a very stern brush, and it can lay down anything. Okay, you're also going to need a brush. You want to use something that has like a hard surface, so that when you do apply, you know, whatever product, and you do start brushing it back in the motion that you need it to, it's gonna flatten out. You're also gonna need some hairspray. Now, this is not just any hairspray, guys. This is the real deal thing for black girls, okay? Everybody know that unless you're wearing like weave or something like that, we typically don't use hairspray like that. At least I don't. I'm speaking for myself. You guys let me know in the comment box if you guys can relate. But I don't ever use hairspray. But ever since I got this silk press, this has been saving my life. Like, it kind of works like a hairspray, but it doesn't leave you with all that sticky residue. So definitely get this. This is the Sebastian Shaper, and this is perfect for silk presses for sure. And of course, you want to get some like edge control for your baby hairs and like an edge brush. The style that I'm doing, we need a middle part. You just kind of want to make like a semi, like just a small middle part. And this is just for the 2 pieces that are going to be hanging. Of course, you guys know it's not going to be the straightest because, you know, this is a style for an old silk press. So typically your hair is already a little bit frizzy at this point, you know. You can just use a flat iron and straighten it if you want to. If you don't want to, by all means don't, because I'm not. Once I leave the salon, I don't apply no more heat on my hair. Like, that's it. I'm not about to, you know what I'm saying? This is just me kind of smoothing out my roots as smooth as possible. I know it's not going to be, of course, like the straightest. It's not going to be the smoothest, because at the end of the day, if your roots are growing back, it's growing back. Like, you can't really help it unless you straighten it again. But since I'm not doing that, you just kind of want to get it comfortable with being laid down before we apply the hairspray. So I got it to the level that I want it to be. So we're gonna go in with our Sebastian Shaper dry hairspray. So what I like to do is just spray a little bit on my hands. A little goes a long way with this. Damn! I already smoothed out my roots. I already got it comfortable with going backwards, and I already applied the hairspray to kind of seal it in that position. So all you need right now is your, what do you call this, a wave brush. Go in with my hair. As I said, I like to use a headband. I just get a lot more durability and elasticity. Push this up like this and kind of like make sure it's kind of a little bit spreading. Okay. And you put your clip on, and then what you want to do is kind of like sparse out these parts right here. Put like a little bobby pin right here. making sure that like it doesn't look extra, you know what I'm saying? I want like that organic look. Now all you need to do is just do your touch-ups. So what I'm going to do, of course, is use my edge control. I'm using the She's Bomb Collection edge control. If you can't find a gel or an edge control that works for you, use this brand, bro. I'm telling you, like, she put her foot, elbow, knees, and toes into this. Focus on just the outer corner. Yeah, I just mainly focus on these two areas right here, just to kind of, you know, make it smooth a little bit and kind of like put the whole look all together. Also, I forgot to let you guys know, but if you don't want to put any heat on your hair like that, just take a little bit of that dry hairspray. What the heck is that? Just take a little bit of that dry hairspray, spritz on some on your finger, rub it together, and kind of just groom your hair down to just be in one piece. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna last the entire day, because at the end of the day, this is not the strongest hairspray, but it works perfectly for silk press. If you guys enjoy the video, let me know how you guys feel about videos like this. I definitely have a lot more hairstyles up my sleeve. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe as well, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.